In this demo series, we're going to break down how you can leverage Subify to offer subscriptions or memberships in your Shopify store. If you're already up and running with the app and know the basics, feel free to skim through the topics and jump straight to the sections you want to dive deeper into. Stay tuned as we guide you step by step through this intuitive, powerful subscription management tool. It's important to know that to use any third-party subscription app on Shopify, your store must be using one of Shopify's eligible payment gateways. If you are not sure your payment gateway is eligible, make sure to check our eligibility article. Now, let's break down how Subify actually works. To offer any kind of recurring payment like subscriptions or memberships on your store, you need to start by creating a subscription plan for your product on Subify. You just need to select the product for which you want to have a recurring payment and then decide the billing frequency and its details for your customers. Once your subscription plan is set, Subify then seamlessly adds a subscription widget to your product page. Your customers can then subscribe to your product directly from the product page or through a quick checkout link that you share anywhere with them. Purchasing a product with a recurring payment is as straightforward as buying a one-time product. Customers make the first payment manually through the checkout page and agree to future recurring payments. With customer approval, Subify takes care of the automatic renewal charges for their subscriptions. As a merchant, you gain full control over your subscriptions via the Subify app. That's how Subify simplifies offering any kind of recurring payments on your Shopify store, ultimately helping you boost and sustain your recurring revenue. Your customers can also manage their subscriptions from the Subify customer portal. You can set permissions deciding how and to what extent your customers can manage their subscriptions from their customer portal. Stay tuned for more insights on each feature in our upcoming videos.